Yo, what's up, some people? This Jay again, guys. So today we traded this gold. What you thought about gold today before you take a trade? When this morning gold was showing something interesting, what you thought about gold? Myself, I saw that gold was going to buy. And I took a buy from somewhere there. Let me show you why I just so excited that gold was gonna buy. So you can see this uptrend that we have here. When gold goes this longer, here was the strongest resistance. And after this resistance, check what gold did, which everyone could have seen. This was supported that we had, you know, and this was the resistance that we had. So now in this case, if gold could sell, we were supposed to come back and break this down. After failing to break here and goes up and try to break previous resistance, it's rejected again and comes back, which is a way of gold to create another supporter. So since after creating the second supporter, what was left was either to break up or to break this weak supporter that it's created. So after creating this way of breaking the previous high with the first candle, and goes higher. If you can see, this candle goes a little bit up and rejected. When it's created a second candle of bullish, then I knew that we are going. There's nothing else that is gonna happen. If you check the previous higher high of the rejection of the candle was here exactly where I took entry from. So I hope you understand what happened. And then uh, gold went up and comes back to the same level of the same candle. So from this area, you can see that everyone could see that it could do anything. If you didn't take it from here, when it comes back to just do this pullback, this was another way of saying that we are confirming that this previous zone is becoming a protection of the buyers, and it settled here, and from there it started to fly up. So from your side, you can tell us why you chose to buy gold, and what was the confirmation of this buying. So if you didn't take it from here, there was now another chance of waiting from this area. You can see that this was a good area to wait it from, and just fly with it. Because there was no way when gold just reached this level and comes back. This was another level that gold created before it broke down, right? I hope you can see it. No? I hope you can see it after breaking down and come back and set to the same level. When it goes up and break this previous zone that God created and break above again. So you're supposed to jump in from this area and go with gold until when it just breaks up and goes up. So it was clearly showing that the buyers were serious today. If you didn't make money from them, then I won't judge you because we don't see the same thing. Yeah, sometimes if you don't understand what is happening in the market, then you can do nothing. But if you understand what is going on, then you can react whenever market gives you the chance. So, my guys, I think you have understood why the reason why I took my entries, and this was my first TP. You know, from down there, my first TP was this level, you know, and my second was this, which is the reached level, and the last one was this, which is what I'm waiting for, you know. I'm actually on the level of closing, since each position is standing on 496, but my target was to reach this level that I marked. But currently we've reached the second TP, and now gold is doing pullback, probably to retest the previous zone so it can go up to the last TP. So in this case, I think I can even close if I want to, and then I will come back tomorrow and look for more entries. I'm sure tomorrow there will be a lot of opportunities. That's why we don't have to just lay on only one trade, you know. We can come back tomorrow and look for more entries, since our account is almost to 8,000 from 1,714 with 20 cents, you know. So guys, let me just go in and close with this. I'm waiting for it to reach 8K, and then I can just close immediately and wait for more opportunity tomorrow, because I know that tomorrow there will be more opportunities. Sharp guys, my 8,000's been reached and I have closed. Let me see you tomorrow. Jay loves you always.